Namaskar. We are introducing a strong medicine against strong cough. You can nearly get everything from your home except betel leaf. You can see the ingredients: cumin seed powder 1 spoon, coriander seeds 1 spoon, dry ginger 1 piece, pepper 10 numbers, betel leaf 5 numbers, 100 ml water. Crush the betel leaf, mix it with all the herbs, cook it and reduce the 100 ml to 50 ml and drink like this 3 times per day. Taking this a few days will give a good hit to the strong cough, and all the cough will go out. You will be with a very easy breath and difficulties of the cough will completely